हेलो माय लवली स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज महिमा। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। अब हम करेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 फ्रॉम एक्सरसाइज 10.2। सो जल्दी से हम पहले क्वेश्चन रीड कर लेते हैं। सो द क्वेश्चन सेज द लेंथ ऑफ अ टेंजेंट फ्रॉम अ पॉइंट ए एट डिस्टेंस 5 centimeter फ्रॉम द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल इज 4 centimeter. Then find the radius of this circle. Okay, so I have the circle. I'll label its center as O. Okay, now I'll take a point A here, and from this point A, I'll draw one tangent to this circle. So this is the tangent and this is the point of contact. I'll label this point as P. Okay. Now, it's given that the length of a tangent from point A at a distance of 5 centimeter from the center. So, the distance from A to this center is 5 centimeter. Okay. So, this is 5 centimeter. And this length is 4 centimeter. Now we are supposed to find the radius of this circle. Now OP is the radius. I'll label this as R. Okay. So this question is very similar to question number 1 of this exercise. Okay. So AP is tangent, and we know the theorem that the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius to the point of contact. Okay. So this means AP is perpendicular to OP. So you can mention the reason here. This is theorem 10.1. Okay. This means this angle is 90 degree. Angle OPA is 90 degree. So this implies triangle OPA is a right angle triangle. Right? So we can use Pythagoras theorem in this triangle. So what does Pythagoras says is square of hypotenuse equals square of perpendicular plus square of base. Now what's the hypotenuse over here? So hypotenuse is the side opposite to this 90 degree angle. So the side opposite to 90 degree angle is this OA. So this is 5. And what is perpendicular? Perpendicular is R. So this is R square plus base is 4. So here comes 4 square. Now we will solve this equation. So R square would be square of 5 is 25 minus square of 4, which is 16. So 25 minus 16 is 9. So R would be under root 9, which is equal to 3. So the answer to this question is 3. So radius of this circle is 3 centimeter.